There are people in this world that would do anything to feel the rush of adrenaline course through their bodies, whether they're jumping off a cliff, high diving into crystal clear water, or jumping out of an airplane in order to experience the feeling of flying. These people are some of the bravest ones out there. This couple definitely qualifies as adrenaline junkies. And they proved that on the day they committed themselves to each other for the rest of their lives. Before we get started, take a moment to please subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give us a like. Ryan Jenks and Kimberly Wegland both have an extreme passion for slacklining. The couple loves it so much, they were even engaged on a space net over the Moab Canyon. Not only do they enjoy doing it as a hobby, they do it for work as well. Together, they started Slackademics, a website for slackline and highline art, education, and resources. It would seem only fitting to get married in the same place. They decided that they wanted to be married at the same time as their favorite festival, GGBY, a highline and base jumping festival. In November 2017, the couple was more than ready to tie the knot. These photos of the big event were taken by an adventure wedding photography team, the Hearns. Their best man, Andy Lewis, created an incredible brightly colored space net for the occasion. As they were suspended 400 feet above the earth, they shared words of love. While they were exchanging their vows, their closest friends were doing amazing things all around them. Below them, there were people performing acts on aerial silks. There were also people walking around them on highlines. The best and most creative part was their unique interpretation of the Flower Girls. Luckily, the couple knows a lot of other lovers of extreme sports. The Flower Girls were actually base jumpers. When they jumped off the sides of the cliffs, thousands of rose petals were released from their backpacks. Kimberly and Ryan couldn't have picked a better way to get married. It's a representation of confidence, self-love, and life. The energy I want to surround myself with and carry with me into our marriage and throughout our lives together, Kimberly said on Instagram. Even their photographers, Abby and Callan Hearns, had an amazing time. I'm so beyond in love with this amazing community and stoked to see everyone creatively come together for Kim and Ryan, said Abby. The couple is more than happy with their choice of wedding venue. It was so fun to be able to take their traditional ceremonies of marriage and turn it into something so completely us, down to every last detail, said Kimberly.